Hello everyone, and you're watching TechPeard. So this is Sunday Tech News number 2, and in this video I will be giving you some tech newses. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First news is that the Samsung company has released the Samsung A31 on June 4. Now I will be telling you about its basic features. The display screen measures 16.21 centimeters with Infinity U display. In the back side of the phone, you get 4 cameras. The main camera is 48 megapixels, the ultra-wide camera is 8 megapixels, the macro camera is 5 megapixels and the depth camera is 5 megapixels. And in the front side of this phone, you get a 20 megapixel camera. The RAM of this phone is 6GB and the storage is 128GB and it is expandable up to 512GB. It has a 15 volt fast charger with 5000 mAh battery. The phone has an octa-core processor and its operating system is Android 10. So that's it for the A31. Now let's move on to the next news. The next news comes from the Xiaomi company about the launch of Mi Notebook. The Mi Notebook will make its debut on June 11. Xiaomi will be hosting a virtual launch event on June 11 at 12 pm. It will be live streamed on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and the company's website. The company hasn't shared the live stream links right now, but we are still a few days away from the event. The Mi Notebook has a processor of Core i7. Its RAM is 8GB, its operating system is Windows 10 Home, and its SSD storage is 256GB. Its battery life is up to 12 hours. Xiaomi company has claimed that it will be a high-end flagship level laptop meant for power users. So if you are expecting a budget model, then you are probably out of luck. So this was the news from the Xiaomi company. Now let's move on to the next news. This news is about the Android's latest version. After Android 9 Pie launch, Google has announced that they will follow a numerical order for their future operating system versions. Recently, Google has launched its Android 11 developer preview. It is way ahead of Google's yearly routine. Normally, it takes till March for developer previews to come out, but this early release just shows how many new changes Android 11 is bringing with it. This is nowhere near what we will see later in the Q3 of 2020 when the stable version launches, but it's a start to the next Android. Now I'm going to tell you what are the features of Android 11 and which phones are eligible for this. The first feature is you can mute notification during recording. For example, if you are making a video and suddenly a notification pops up. Now with Android 11, the notifications will mute automatically when you are recording. The second feature is the aeroplane mode won't turn off the Bluetooth, because in the previous versions of Android, we had Bluetooth killed off when aeroplane mode was turned on. Then we had to turn on the Bluetooth again. This is an issue especially considering how popular Bluetooth earphones have been in recent times. So now even if you turn on the aeroplane mode, the Bluetooth won't get turned off and keep functioning properly. The third feature is the native screen recording. Screen recording is something Android users have always wished for, and here it is finally. We will no longer need to have any additional apps for the screen recording. The fourth feature is the share menu app pinning. There was a feature in Android before that let users pin their most frequently used apps in the share menu. It was removed, but now we have it back on the Android 11. Now let's move on to the phones which will be having Android 11. So there are a couple of brands which will be having this Android 11 update. So those brands are Xiaomi, Google, Honor, Huawei, OnePlus, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Nokia, Asus, Sony, Samsung, LG, Motorola and Poco. So there are a few phones of these brands which will not be having the Android 11 update. So you can go and check it in your settings by going to the system updates and then checking for the Android 11 update. So that's it for the Sunday Tech News. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TechBeard, as well as press the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching.